tutorial how to make a simple graphic design. Please watch closely with me as we make this post. Hello, we'll be working on this right now. The first thing we need to do is to get a background color. So I would use my color picker. I selected a background from previous post and I would like to use a gradient color. Right here I picked another color, and yes, I have an orange background ready. What I'm trying to do here is that I'm trying to create my gradient by moving the lines and ensuring that it's well aligned. And once that is done, I click on OK. Now I have a background. The next step is that I would okay, my custom size is okay, so I just checked that. I'm using 1080 by 1080 pixels. The next thing is I import my text. I did this earlier. Time is money. I copied it. I want it to be like in 3 places. So this is time is money in 3 places. Okay, so you can go to your font, use any font you like, and you make it into 3 places. And now I'm trying to use my grid to set it and ensure that it doesn't get to the end of the frame. So once I'm done with that, I'll try to adjust it to make sure that it is well aligned. So as soon as that is done, you ensure that you have already a model or a picture that you like to import inside of this text. So I click on my picture and I scroll down. I already have a picture I would like to use. I'm using this model. So once I crop it, I go down, I click on the good icon, I enlarge, move it forward, and try to set it properly. So I'm good to go. So that is the end of this poster. So very simple and easy. I wouldn't want to take much of our time. So once this is done, I would add a little effect to it in the next video. Thank you for watching.